Happy Aloha Friday, everyone. It is yours truly, Professor Emoneyshoes, back to you with another review. Now, I must apologize yesterday because I was all over the place, looking all over the place. I was like, man, looking like I was running from somebody, an inmate or something. I was like, so my apologies on that. Now, if y'all haven't checked out Who Has the Heat, please do. Tomorrow we're going to have a dope lineup. And, of course, we're going to have a whole bunch of people in the building. Myself, along with 3-on-3 Retro Queen, this is PMKICKZ and MCFLYKOF. And one of the dopest chats around. If you just want to shoot in that shoot the breeze, by all means, do so. Stop through. And if you want to check out some of my other videos, by all means, do so too. There's so many videos out there. About 700 some videos. So, hey, when you get the time, go check it out. And also, we're trying to build our channel up. Who Has the Heat to 500 subscribers. So we're getting there slowly but surely. We got about roughly 250. So I almost have almost 7,000 subscribers on this channel. If I could get half on there, it would be greatly appreciated. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video. Now, this shoe was released overseas. And, you know, Mr. KO4, I had to have these joints. All right, I had to have them. Took a little while to get here. And let's just get to it. Bam! Look at that. The Air Jordan 4 Japan Sashiko Deep Ocean. All of that stuff. You see this, a personal pair size 10, Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Special Edition, official colorway, Deep Ocean Fire Red Sail, size 10, and for you ladies, size 11.5. Look at this presentation. This is what I'm talking about for 220. I think these came out on the 5th or something like that. This is a dope presentation. Now, this is what I'm talking about, Jordan. We can do this. We can talk big to 220, 225, even 250 in certain instances, depending on the shoe. But if you make me, just at least Jedi mind trick me, make me feel like I'm getting some for my money. And I am glad to add these joints to the collection. Like I said, this is a Japanese, overseas drop. And in here, see, you got your nice red. You already know red, my favorite color. All of that stuff. Got these from StockX. I'm assuming it's overseas because it did come by DHL. And no, I hope these ain't no fugazis, like they say. But some interesting twists and things to know about these shoes, right? So we take them out of the box. See what all we got in here. We got your StockX sticker. You got your mold. It should be up there. Wherever it is. I don't know that. You can see it like that. Like so. Like I said, I got my receipt in there. Gonna leave it in the box. What's the receipt? It's not too bad to tag, but hey, that's neither here nor there. That's not important. But I will leave it in the box for the receipt police. So if something goes wrong, I got somebody to blame for this shenanigans. And bam! This Sashiko's is like the Japanese pattern, Deep Ocean with sail, and they did with the 2 different laces. They should have gave us both, but I understand why they didn't do it. I may leave it like so, because the red with the red hits, or you already know, based off of Tinker Hatfield design. 3, 4, 5, 6, right? All of those are with the Air unit. Just right off the rip, looking at these joints, I mean, look, a lot of people got mixed reviews on these shoes, but they are very dope in my opinion. Last time I checked with these, with this thing here, it should go to a number. It shouldn't say StockX, it should be a 1-800 number. So that'd be the first giveaway if it's not, what's his name? But the major problem with these will be like the Jordan 5 wings. No one shoe is alike. So I don't know how do you verify it. I guess you got to do the smell test, put your foot in. Let's see. Smell like a Jordan 4. So that's one good thing. Nothing out of the ordinary. Don't see nothing messy. The box looks pretty good. I know a lot of people like to look at the box. The last test would probably be putting your foot in it and hoping it don't fall through like mashed potatoes, right? So, but this is a very, very dope shoe in my opinion. You can feel it got a little bit of weight on it too. Most of the, I guess the other shoes are kind of light, but I like this shoe. It's very well put together. Most one on like the midsole where the paint might be cracking. These might be a little bit better than previous Jordans, right? So let's get into it. As you can see, you got your milky pop out stars, herringbone traction with the red going into the sail with the deep ocean green or whatever you want to call it right there. And you got all of this different patchwork with designs. You don't have your traditional netting. It's like, this is like a cloth type netting. That is dope. Something different with the shoe. So it's basically like they just stitched in what it might look like. Then you got the laces. Then on the tongue, you have your Air Jordan, which is in that two-tone, right, with that red, with a deep ocean blue, which is very, very dope. You come around the medial side, so you got more of this patchwork that look like you're celebrating fireworks. Again, the stitched in netting. Translucent here on the side with the waffles, very, very dope. On the back, the tab is dope. Translucent, as you can see. Look at that. Go in there, you can see the back heel tab. You got the white hits on there. You got the white hits around there. Coming around, you got more red hits as the sun hit it, which is very, very nice. And as you can see, of course, you got the red air unit in here. Inside of the shoe, you got red insole, and you got your cardboard shoe tree. But look at that. What is that, velvet? No, just kidding. But that is nice, nice, nice material. And as you can see, size 10, 10.5 on this. Like I said, you see it's pretty much well put together. You don't see all those glue marks or nothing like that. Let's see. Let's look at the other. Let's see the difference in the pattern. So both of these have lines, right? So one of them is like this, like the red shoe. A quick overview. See anything on there? So over here, it's kind of opposite of track, like I said. So you're spinning around. A very, very dope shoe, in my opinion. Like I said, I likes it. I likes it a lot. So I don't think I'm gonna do any changes to the shoe because I think how they got it, it kind of goes very, very well with this. So I do not want to mess it up. Like I said, it was retail for $220, but due to it was an overseas release, we couldn't get our hands on these. So roughly, right now, they're about $3, a little over $3. But I think this is one of those shoes that would definitely go up as time progresses. I wanted to get those Manila Jordan 4s, but that's another story for another day. I'll go on a rant another day regarding those. Let's get back to these because these are fire in my opinion. All right, in my opinion, I would give these. Let me see. I got to deduct some done points because this wasn't this wasn't an overseas release. I mean, this was not a U.S. release. If this was a U.S. release, I would have gave it a 5 out of 5. And I would have maybe, yeah, 5 out of 5. So I'm going to give it a 4.9 out of 5. That's right, 4.95, 4.9 out of 5, right? Got to deduct a whole, what is that, a whole point, right? Because it is not a U.S. release. But other than that, very, very dope shoe. It's like you got your very own customized shoe to you because no one design is alike, just like the Wing 5. The only thing you got to be wary of, do your due diligence, try to do the best that you can to make sure you got a legit pair. But I'm pretty happy with these shoes. I know some people, they're not their cup of tea, but I likes it. I likes it a lot. So you leave a comment suggestion below down. You let me know. I know some people were on the fence about these, but these one of the ones that's unique and gotta have in the collection. I will wear these. I have the What the Five. Probably don't want to put them in the showcase, but this actually might even be a shoe that's worthy of a showcase because of how different it is in materials. Like you can see that too. Just a very, very dope shoe. So again, don't forget to hit that comments, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Until next time, peace, love, and hair grease. I'm out.